welcome on the channel. Today short or even very short tutorial how to fit the bathroom door. Maybe you know how not to fit the bathroom door. I already bonded down. This is on good bond but not too strong, if I have to rip it out. The bottom track for I have bigger problem on the top because I make the roof with slightly slope. I don't think about it. Earlier I don't thought about problem with fitting these doors, just lack of thinking. So I have to create something to first idea was just lower the, because it's not much but it's a 1 centimeter, lower the roof down. Later on I changed my mind. I don't know if it's good or bad. Anyway, the different story will be how to assemble everything. Because I have not enough space. What I made here, it means made it longer. I don't know how come, because if it will be to the end, will be looks nice, but it was too short, so I just not cut them and left like that. It was quite big mistake, because when I realized maybe I have enough space to slide, maybe I have enough space to slide in doors, maybe not, but it was a chance. Right now it's no chance at all, so I am not happy. Right now I try to mark here the points where this top track will be parallel to the bottom and as close to the roof as I can. So it will be slightly slope, I think so, maybe 10 mil. Anyway, so I have to make a kind of trick to assembling it. The bottom track have a kind of two grooves and one reach inside. Top one is a bit deeper. To tell the truth, I don't know how to assemble it, but let's try it. Mess like usually. Okay, so these doors are built from such a interlocking slats, and is connected like that on the rubber. I don't know why it's on the rubber, but it's on the rubber. So it's good because it will be less rattling during the drive. It was big mistake. Okay, this is maximum how we can open it. Okie, so I set it roughly. I don't know if I have to cut it here. The problem is if I cut, I don't know where to cut perfectly, because I don't know how to finish this edge, because this is magnet, but in my design I don't need this magnet, to tell the truth. Probably, but maybe yes, maybe not. So if I cut too short, it will be stupid. Cut too long, it will be hard to, you know, take it down, as it doesn't make a sense. So what I wanna do, I just make this end round, so it looks better and for purpose. So, and what I wanna do also, I wanna grind a bit this piece so it can go closer to this corner, because right now it's here and this is maximum what I can open the door, so it's all gives me additional 5 mil, not much, but always something. I have to take it down anyway. And what I found, I have to set the distance here, and what I think the 4 mil spacer, just temporary before I fit it, will be okay. I don't know yet how to fit. I don't want to bond it, because at this moment I can disassembling it at all. So what I wanna do, I wanna try to fit small screws here. I make something like a 2 mil gap over it, so maybe it will work. Yes. Okay, so what's now? Okay, take it down. Let's say it's partially done. It means it wasn't so simply as I suppose, except like a one broken screw. It shows, so the shower tray I measure here, here, and in 2 places here, but corner goes up. It's a just cheap polystyrene shower tray, and this corner goes up, so it's pushing a full door up. It was still works. Earlier also works. So means I have to move this corner of these tracks up a bit. Not much. I push as many as I can. Hopefully it will be okay. Of course, here is a, I don't know if it's visible or not. Not especially. Yeah, focus here. It's a drill, countersink, and small stainless steel screw. So it's a flat. Okay. It's not too good design, to tell the truth. From the both sides, tambour door and my bathroom. Okay, let's try to fit a few screws more. Let's summarize what was done wrong and what else can be done better. As I mentioned about like this roof, these slats are cut shorter 2 mil than distance in between tracks. I suppose it can be easily 3 or even 4 mil. I cut, it means bigger gap. I cut, I don't want to do it again, so I leave it as is, but I think it can be a bit longer. What was wrong, what I done wrong, it's about this handle. Problem is, when you are inside, because this is quite thin, so one handle are higher, this handle are higher than that handle, yeah, because it's too thin to make two at once. And right now this handle are too high, so it means when you closing the doors, it's going a bit under slope, a bit, but it's like that, yes. So my mistake, because I should cut this slat from two sides, top and bottom, and remember, so this should be in the middle or even bit lower. Right now I have to find any solution. I don't know how come, but I have to find, because it works, but I don't like it. Ouch, I got you. Okay, because if really shallow, when you try to close it, you have to put some pressure, and from outside it's not a problem, but from inside you pushing doors against this wall and it's touching, so I have to find touching the wall. I have to find any solution. And why I not install this magnetic strip? Because it will stick out from this wall here, from this wall, and it looks stupid for me. What my idea with this was quite good, but again I should provide the space to slide in doors into the track. I have to show it because it's a roof light, but this is what I mentioned earlier. Focus please. Yeah, I feed the LED light in this, so it's this C-section which I weld to the angle, and it's two functions. One is like a just holder for this LED light, but second is hide the screws which are on the top here, and it works quite well. This, and all these problems with not enough space to slide in the doors was because of this toilet. It's taking space from wall to wall, and because of that, so means design, my design. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If anybody have any questions, any comments, just ask.